Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to upload a video on your YouTube channel using your Android device. It's a straightforward process, and we'll guide you through the steps. Step 1. Open your YouTube app. The first step is to open your YouTube app on your Android device. If you're not signed in, go to the app's menu and choose Sign In to sign into your account. Step 2. Tap the plus icon. Once you're signed in, tap the plus icon located in the middle bottom of your screen. A menu will appear, and from there, select Uploads. Step 3. Tap the app menu icon and choose Upload. Next, tap the app menu icon, 3 vertical lines, in the top left corner of the screen and choose Upload. A gallery of your videos will appear. Step 4. Select the video you want to upload. Select the video you want to upload from your device's gallery. Step 5. Enter the video details. After selecting the video, you'll need to enter a title that suitably describes your video, a description, tags, and choose the privacy settings you want to apply. Step 6. Tap the upload icon. Once you've entered all the necessary details and selected your privacy settings, tap the upload icon. Your uploads page will reappear, showing the progress of your video's upload. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a video on your YouTube channel using your Android device. It's a great way to share your content with the world and reach a wider audience. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.